to lose weight fast. 10 kilograms in 10 days. 900 calorie egg diet. Hey everybody, welcome to Health and Wellness Topia. Today we are going to go over a great and fast diet which is very effective. No matter how many pounds you need to lose, you will enjoy this diet and we are sure it will work for you. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss when we upload new videos. If you decide to follow this meal plan, only in a few days you will see a tremendous impact on your overall health and happiness. Without further ado, let's get into the video. As we all know, to lose weight we need to consume fewer calories than we use. Therefore, our diet is highly restricted in calories, but it is very healthy. All that is needed from you is just to keep a positive attitude and it will do miracles for you. For breakfast, you can have 3 boiled eggs and a cup of hot green tea. Green tea is one of the best drinks you can ever have because it is packed with antioxidants, it is boosting the health of our bodies and stimulates fat loss. Eggs are a great protein source and studies show that people who have even just one egg for breakfast easily consume up to 400 calories less for the day. Eggs promote the health of many organs in our body. Eating eggs can improve cholesterol levels because it stimulates the building up of good cholesterol. Because of the many amino acids contained in the eggs, we can experience reduced stress and anxiety. We recommend you only choose organic eggs. It is always written in the package. That way you will be sure that they are not filled with antibiotics and hormones. If you are wondering about the color of the egg, it is proven that it does not affect the nutrition in the egg. As this diet is heavily based on eggs, if you are allergic to them, you should not follow it. Check our channel for more great suitable for you health tips. The link is in the description. For lunch, you can have again 3 boiled eggs, a cup of green tea, and an apple. If you want to season the eggs, it is great to do it with turmeric or cayenne pepper and even ginger. You can choose the apple up to your liking. Red, green, yellow. Apples are always a great choice for a diet because they are so low in calories, but they have a lot of fiber and that is why they make you full for long. Apples stimulate weight loss and digestion. That is why you should avoid having them in the evening. If you want to have another apple, you can have it around 4 p.m. together with a cup of green tea. In the evening, you can enjoy a bowl of oats. You can eat it just the way it is or add some nuts like walnuts, almonds, fruits like berries. Just do not add apricots or raisins as they are high in sugar. You can also add some cinnamon to extend the taste. During the day, you can drink plain water and should not have any other beverages besides green tea. If you feel hungry and you want to eat something else, you can sometimes replace the apple with half of a grapefruit. It is also great for weight loss. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please share your thoughts about this diet in the comment section below. We would love to hear your suggestions for new videos as well. Take care!